Shut up. Relax. It's fine. Just call it. Just call it. Just call it.
No. Oh, I wasn't, my hands open.
Yeah, South. Free cash draw, H's. Yeah. So high I'm about to die, niggas so convinced, blunt lit. Got a Pez dispenser full of opiates. Eyes bloodshot while I'm bumping this flying loaded shit. Ain't even in my 20s, nigga, who else you know that's flowing this? Nobody looking for me at a show, probably. Or I'm in your bitch guts, this money make me crazy. See, I'm donuts, your bitch sucking, fuck the whole team. Stay sedated while I'm chasing more cream. Fried up off this good green, Cali medical from the dispensary. She was serving me weed and now she texting me. Simple niggas would think I'm worried about her sexing me. No, I go back east and I'ma get that killer sent to me. Trill, keep it real from my toes to my crown. Only young niggas from Jersey, they say putting it down. H's, counting faces while I'm getting plays. My mother said it was a phase and now I'm out here getting paid, yeah. So
You ever seen that show Cops? I was watching it one time and there was this cop on. He was talking about this gunfight he had in the hallway with this guy, right? And he just unloaded on this guy and nothing happened. He didn't hit nothing. Okay, it was just him and this guy. I mean, you know, it's freaky, but it happens.
Look, you wanna play blind man, go walk with the shepherd. With me, my eyes are wide fucking open.
What the fuck does that mean?
Means that's it for me. From here on in, you consider my ass retired.
Jesus Christ.
Don't blaspheme.
God damn it,
I said don't do that.
Hey, you know, you're fucking freaking out on us.
Look, I'm telling Marcellus today. I'm through.
Well, why don't you tell him at the same time why?
Don't worry, I will.
And I bet you $10,000 he'll laugh his ass off.
I don't give a damn if he does.
Marvin, what do you make of all this?
Man, I don't even have an opinion.
Well, you gotta have an opinion. I mean, do you think that God came down from heaven and stopped us? Oh, fuck up, man. Oh, man, I shot Marvin in the face.
Why the fuck you do that?
I didn't mean to do it as an accident.
Oh man, I seen some crazy ass shit in my time, but this.
Chill out, man. I told you it was an accident. Probably you went over a bump or
Hey, the
something.
car ain't hit no motherfucking bump.
Hey, look, man, I didn't mean to shoot the son of a bitch. The gun went off. I don't know why.
Well, look at this fucking mess, man. We're on a city street in broad daylight here.
Man.